If your Kitchen Mama automatic can opener stops working, the issue usually comes down to batteries or the cutting mechanism. If it won't turn on or sounds weak, start by checking the batteries. Make sure fresh AA alkaline batteries are installed correctly, matching the positive and negative markings inside the compartment. Avoid mixing old and new batteries, and inspect the contacts for corrosion that could block power flow. If the motor runs but the blade doesn't cut smoothly, debris is often the problem. Gently clean the cutting area with mild soap and water, using a small brush to remove buildup, and let it dry completely before using it again. Also, ensure the can's rim is properly aligned between the blade and gear, since bent cans can prevent smooth cutting. If the opener won't detach after finishing a rotation, remove the batteries, reinsert them, and press the button to release it, never force it off. For long-term care, wipe it with a damp cloth only, never submerge it, and remove batteries during storage to prevent leakage. Regular cleaning and proper battery care will keep it running reliably.